Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'm Céline McArthur, your Slopeside Storyteller. We're going into a very big week 7, and Mother Nature dropped a nice gift.
Merry Christmas. We received about 5 or 6 inches of quality, fluffy snow overnight. We're out this morning just kind of checking on the lifts and making sure that we've got that pristine Bretton Woods corduroy so that folks can access the lifts and ski on the trails they want to ski on without necessarily having to get into some of that deeper snow. For the folks that love the deeper, fresh, natural snow, we leave a little bit on the sides this morning.
Right now, 34 of 63 trails are open, including 2 glades, and that number will keep climbing with more snow this week. Base depths range from 18 to 48 inches, with more than 52 already this season. Snowmaking is still rolling, and the West Mountain Express high-speed quad opens Friday, unlocking even more terrain for the holiday break. For cross-country skiers, crews are making snow at the Nordic Center, including over the bridge, so you've got a smooth ride to all our trails.
It's pretty light, it's pretty fluffy, but Jim and I are out here packing everything down. We're hoping to get the trails in really good condition for you. It's looking like a winter wonderland for Christmas week.
Skating right now is very, very good. I skated this morning. As we get more snow, we'll set track in more areas. We do have some areas with track, other areas don't, but we'll set track once we get more snow depth, and that's coming. So if you're like me and own a bunch of different skis, don't bring the good ones out. Bring in your lower level skis or your regular skis. There are plenty of places to ski around the thin spots.
And one of my personal favorites, the Winter Canopy Tour is back. Zipline through snow-covered trees with stunning views of Mount Washington from the air. The Canopy Tour is open this week on Friday and Saturday. Spots are limited, so reservations are a must.
This view would be so much better if those mountains weren't in the way.
And when the lifts close, the fun doesn't stop. Après Ski here at Slopeside is the place to be. Live music, great food, drinks, and a holiday crowd that knows how to celebrate. Plan your next visit at BrettonWoods.com, and we'll see you here.